You know, most of you like your laundry to have a fragrance to it. It makes you feel like you did a good job. The laundry's clean. Sometimes the kids will mention how good their clothes smell. But most of the time, you're using things that you buy at the grocery store, like scented beads. And those are basically made with nothing but chemicals. And since the skin is the largest organ on your body and absorbs everything, let me show you a safer, more gentle way to make it, and also much cheaper. What we're going to do is we're going to start with 2 cups of Epsom salts. To that, we're going to add our essential oil. You could use orange, you could use lemon, you can combine any flavor you want. And to 2 cups, you're going to put in about 15 to 25 drops of your fragrance. You're going to stir it up really well. Put it in a jar with a lid. Then, when you're ready to do your laundry, put your detergent in, you get all ready to go, you're going to take an 1/8 to 1/4 cup of your fragrance, and you're going to put that in with it. When the clothes come out, they're going to smell so nice, just the way you want them to. And you won't be using any chemicals. Now, there's also a great way to do it in the dryer, because you know I always encourage you not to use those chemical-laden dryer fabric softener sheets. So a lot of you have switched to the wool dryer balls, and you're putting essential oils on those. That ruins the wool. Don't do that, because these little things aren't real cheap to buy. Instead, I want to show you how to make some foot cloths that are so simple. For light loads, I always use a white cloth. For darker loads, I use a darker one. And you can take any fragrance you want your laundry to be. I have lavender here, and what I'm doing is I'm just peppering my cloth with the fragrance. Then I'm going to take it and I'm going to roll it up, and I'm going to roll it into my hands, and I'm going to squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And I'm going to stick it in a labeled container. I usually make up about 8 of these at a time. When you go to dry your clothes, pop one of these in with your clothes. When you open that door in the dryer, oh, it smells so nice. You'll be so glad you did this. It's quick, it's easy, and it's inexpensive, and it's safe and natural for your family. And when these dryer sheets get old and you don't smell the fragrance anymore, toss them in with your towels to wash, retreat them, and throw them back in your container. So give it a try. I think you'll love the way it makes your laundry smell. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.